channel. Finally, we are starting on prepping this thing for paint. So I actually got started on this like a week ago with some friends, and we basically kind of just started the sanding process. We hit it with a few different types of sandpaper. I'll talk about that. And then, yeah, so then I just didn't have a chance to work on it again until now. So I'm gonna start on this by myself right now, but I will throw in the footage from when we started the car a week ago. This is Gino, my buddy Gino and Jason. They're just going to town by hand right now. I didn't expect everyone to be here to help, so I only had the one orbital sander, and I didn't have any like block sanders or any, you know, sandpaper that pretty much wasn't round, which is pretty hard to use by hand. So, huge thank you to my friends. I don't really know color ideas yet, I have some ideas, but I haven't decided on anything yet. So, if you guys have a suggestion for colors, put it down in the comments.
OEM champagne.
Jason says OEM champagne. Gino?
Silver.
Silver, Cole. Wait, silver with sparkle,
yeah.
Cole?
Concrete gray.
Concrete gray, okay. And yeah, so let me show you guys the car. So we hit it with 80 grit, and then we hit it with 180 grit, and it looks pretty good so far. Getting it real nice and scuffed up. I'm gonna finish it off a little bit more with 180. And then after I finish it with 180, I'll hit the whole car with 320. This is advice from my buddy Derek, you guys remember him. Because he actually paints for a living. He told me to use some filler primer that he's gonna get me. And once I hit it with that, then just kind of go over the whole car with a Scotch-Brite pad. The other thing is, I really have no idea what color I'm gonna do. So you guys gotta help me out. Leave some comments. Let me know some suggestions on paint colors. I'm buying from a certain website, so I'm limited a little bit. I'm looking for kind of brighter colors since the car's been, you know, a dark purple / black for a while. All right, so I'm gonna get started and I will update you guys when I make some progress. So I made some good progress. I hit the front, or I hit the hood with 320, hit the door and the quarter and part of the roof so far. It's actually coming out super smooth. I just kind of wiped some of it off, nice and smooth. The next thing I'm gonna do is actually take the KBD kit off, because there's a certain process to prep the KBD kit for paint that's different than the rest of the car, so I'll go over that later. So I'm gonna pull the kit off, but before I do that, we actually have to take a trip. All right, so these are some AGs that I had on my S2000. These are the rears, and they both have cracks in them. I'm about to take them over to my buddy's house, and he's gonna weld them up for me because I was gonna sell them, but came across a cool deal with one of my homies, and we're gonna trade. Got them loaded up. And head over to Evan's house. Alright guys, we made it over to Evan's. This is his little shop in the back. He already got started. I thought you were welding these, not making it worse. all done. I didn't even expect him to work on it tonight, but he finished both of them.
Shit, I know.
They look great.
No, that looks like shit.
He's not happy with it, but I am. So these things are getting traded. Well, okay, actually I lied. They were getting traded, but that plan kind of fell through tonight. That's okay, because I'm just going to get cash for him instead, and then that way I can just buy whatever wheels I want or do whatever with the cash. I'll probably end up just buying a lot of tires with the cash because we got that event coming up in like, it's pretty much a month now, or like just over a month away, so got a lot of tires to buy, get the car ready and all that. So all right, we're gonna load these up, head home. I'm probably not gonna work on the car anymore tonight, so tomorrow I'll take the kit off and start getting that prepped up, and need to find a color. So please leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, what color I should do. I'm pretty torn. I want to do something bright, so leave a suggestion, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. All right, I'll see you guys later. Say bye, Evan.
Bye.